To fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. Tap on the Google Play Store to open it. Then after that, try to search for boomplay app, and you're going to see boomplay app over here. So what you have to do is to try to tap on the update over here. When you can see updates on your app, try to search for updates. Tap on it over here to get the latest update of boomplay. Now tap on boomplay. After updating it, you're going to see open over here. So when you see the open, what you have to do is to go straight to your phone menu again and try to search for your Google Play. Try to search for your settings. So tap on the settings app. Then after that, tap on apps and notifications. Now wait as it's loading, and now tap on see your apps. Wait as it's loading. Now try to search for boomplay app. Tap on the boomplay app. Tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is toggled on. Go and tap on notifications and make sure show notification is toggled on. Go back and tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission. Tap on the storage and cache and tap on the clear cache. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some while to restart your device. Now after tapping on the power button for some while, tap on the restart button and tap on OK, or tap on reboot button and tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting or rebooting your device. Thank you very much for watching this video.